Hey everyone, this is Supraja,
This is Saujanya.
and we are not here to tell you what's right or what's wrong.
We are just two friends trying to understand and communicate our feelings a little better.
For a long time, expressing emotions wasn't easy for us, so this space is about learning, unlearning, and growing.
Because we may be living different lives, but we are all feeling something.
Welcome
Welcome
to
to
our
our podcast.
podcast.
A lot of us say we need honest opinions, right? But we only accept certain kind of honesty. It's more like I want the truth, but the truth shouldn't be hurting me.
Yeah, maybe we are not ready to meet the honesty yet, but the real question is what level of honesty are we comfortable with?
So when I ask you about that opinion, I am just seeking reassurance from you. In my head,
Hmm.
I've already decided what I want to hear from you. So I'm just now waiting for you to like say that thing I want to hear.
Yeah, when you say that, I can think of an example. Say I'm just wearing a nice outfit with a
Hmm.
nice makeup and going to a party, and I walk up to my friend and ask her, how am I looking? And I say that I want an honest opinion from her.
Yeah.
But internally, I have looked myself in the mirror
Hmm.
already, and I am walking with that sort of confidence that I already look nice. But if my friend says otherwise, that something is off, my dress doesn't suit well for me,
Hmm.
the size is like this, something
Yeah.
not something that I'm expecting her to say,
Hmm.
that's going to shatter my confidence. Even
Yeah.
though I am seeking an honest opinion from her,
Hmm.
internally I'm seeking something that I already know.
Yeah.
I want her to say the things that I want to hear rather than what she actually wants to say.
This could happen with very small things like this to big things like your emotional needs, right?
Hmm.
Let's take an analogy where you flip a coin. You assign two things to each side of a coin, and when the coin is in the air, you already know which side of the coin you need. So,
Hmm.
this honesty is also more like that. You are asking for an honest opinion, but you already know what you want to hear.
Yeah, this would also go with negative beliefs that I have about myself.
Mm.
Say, for example, so previously I was saying that something positive, like I have an opinion, something positive about myself, my appearance, my dress, and I'm seeking an affirmation about what I have, right? But there could also be this other side where I have a negative belief about myself. And if I go to a friend and ask, like, do you believe so and so about me?
Yeah.
Maybe I come to you and ask you, do you think I'm an emotionally weak
Yeah.
person? I want you to say that I'm not that person.
Mm.
So, in that space, I want you to counter my core beliefs,
Yeah.
and that is another form of reassurance that I'm seeking. Even though, even here, I'm asking you an honest opinion
Mhm.
about my character, I want something to counter my belief.
So this is all more like you're not curious about what the other person is going to say. You
Yeah.
are just seeing that if they are going to say what you already know.
And what I want them to say about me in that space.
Exactly. And I couldn't get that dress example out of my mind. That's the reason why I always have this 2-minute rule where you don't go and say something to someone that they can't change in the next 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Because honesty without kindness seems more like a cruelty, right? Like,
Yeah.
say, if in your dress example, this you won't be able to change that dress for the next 5 hours or whatever hours it is. So, it is not a nice idea to actually come and tell you that. But say
Mm.
if something is very fixable, like I'll say if you know you have something on your cheek, that's something you could fix in the next 2 minutes. That is something I can tell you honestly.
Mm.
So I think there is a big difference between telling something honestly and being rude while you're being honest.
Yeah, a lot of people just think that they are being honest in a lot of places, they are being straightforward, but I think they're masking their brutality with honesty because not everyone will have the capacity to receive what you are honestly you could possibly blurt out anything in the
Anything,
name
yeah.
of honesty, right? But is the person in front of you really capable of controlling whatever that you're talking about? You can say things in nicest way, you don't have to be like rude in that manner in order to express your opinion about that person.
Completely agreed.
sometimes we all just want a feedback, and if we are receiving that feedback, maybe genuine feedback, not brutality,
Mm.
if that feedback is against what we believe about ourselves,
Mm.
then we are just going to be defensive about it
Yeah.
rather than accepting for what it is as a criticism.
Mm.
It's just easier to throw attacks on the other person who gave that honest opinion.
Knowing that is the difference, right? Because if someone is coming and giving you a criticism about the action you did, they are actually criticizing the thing you did and not your identity. So
Mm.
if someone comes and says you like, hey, what you did was not nice, they are actually saying that what you did was like the action you did was not nice, and that doesn't mean you're not a nice person or anything. So
Mm.
knowing that difference will make a lot of difference.
Yeah. You know, we've been friends for so many years now. As say as a fun thing, one day I come to you and ask you, is there something that you want to see a change in myself?
Mm.
Maybe asking you to be honest with me.
Mm.
And if I use the word, then
Mm.
literally you're going to be honest with me about it.
Mm.
Say you're saying something that I don't believe about myself.
Mm.
I live in a world where I perceive myself as as a different person,
Mm.
and whatever you said kind of attacked that version of a person in me.
Mm.
So I am not going to take that in a positive way. Instead, I'm going to throw my defense. I mean, I'm going to throw my attacks on you and be defensive about myself. I'll project my insecurities onto you instead of trying to, understand why you said a certain thing, why you wanted that change in me. It's easier that way.
So basically you're like shutting me down and
Yeah.
you're making me feel like this is not a safe space for
Mm.
me to be honest. So the next time you come for an honest opinion, I won't be honest with you. And we casually throw words like honesty, but it is not about you asking that question. It is also about you giving that space for someone to be actually honest with you.
Yeah.
And that only happens when you're ready to hear honest answers.
Yeah. So there are two parties here. One person is seeking for an answer, and the other person wants to give that genuine answer.
Mm.
So the only way of handling it is they have to find a middle ground where
Mm.
they both can agree
Mm.
and be kind towards each other.
Yeah.
So if I'm coming and asking you something, I expect you to be kinder with the response that you're giving to me,
Mm.
and with the response that I'm getting, I have to be kinder with you
Mm.
by however that I'm taking that criticism. So it's that both of them are satisfied by whatever happened in that conversation.
True, but why do you think it's hard for people to take an honest opinion?
In my opinion, however that I have lived through my life, maybe it's just two things. One is, as I said, I have this bubble of version about myself. I have certain beliefs about myself, and whatever you said, if that attacked that version in my head,
Mm.
I'm not going to accept it, because that is something that I've believed about me. I have built myself, and if something that comes to attack that version, I don't think it's easy for me to take it as a criticism,
Mm.
right? So that is one thing. And the
Mm.
second thing is lack of accountability. If I've done a mistake and someone comes to me and point out that mistake, they're being honest with me instead of
Yeah.
sugarcoating that mistake.
Mm.
If I lack accountability, then I wouldn't be able to see the bigger picture, and
Mm.
instead I would just see it as an attack.
Yeah. So the real question here is not if whether you want an honest opinion or not, but if you can take what comes with it.
Let us know in the comments.